welcome back. Today is the day where I do another Pokemon card stuff, and so yeah, let me just it's called like the Steam Age, but I will try to open it. Sorry if I couldn't, because my iPad's big and they won't give me an iPhone, so yeah, it's pissing me off. Yeah. But yeah. Oh, I think I found something good, guys. Alright. Hold on a sec. In bed. Alright, so I got Meowth, I got Litwick, Hop, what the fuck is it? Hoppip, Dina, Vulcan, I think so. Nidoking, the Fossil, Skip Bloom, what a Gent Greedy Dice, and of course this, which lots of additional cards are playing online. So yeah, this is just one pack. So yeah, hopefully it's something good on my, thing. I saw another pack which I will be going on next video. So yeah, I'll be right back with that. So bye guys.